Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your Feng Shui Guru and Paranormal Expert. Horoscope, Cancer, June 21 to July 22. Today is Monday, July 22, 2024. What is your obligation as a human person? You have to do it right. There is that law of karma that says whatever you do, it will goes back to you twice or 3 times. You had been good for last years, yet there is a big reward for you this time. Whatever you wish for the day. Ang ating pong horoscope ngayong araw na ito ay may kinalaman sa mga sorpresang dadaanan mo sa panahon na ito. Ikaw ay binibigyan pa rin ng tsansa para magtamasa ng kasaganaan at mabigyan ka ng tamang posisyon mo sa lipunan na ginagalawan mo.